Understanding Sorrowful Goodbye, an English language exploration. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very expressive and emotional phrase in English, sorrowful goodbye. This phrase is rich in meaning and often used in literature and daily conversations. Understanding it will not only enhance your vocabulary but also help you grasp the nuances of English expressions. Let's dive in. Sorrowful goodbye is a two-word phrase combining sorrowful and goodbye. Let's look at each word separately. Sorrowful is an adjective derived from the noun sorrow, which means a feeling of deep distress caused by loss, disappointment, or other misfortune. When we say something is sorrowful, it's imbued with deep sadness or grief. Goodbye is a parting phrase used when leaving or ending a conversation. It's a way of wishing well to someone who is leaving or being left. This phrase is often used in situations of deep emotional parting. It's not just a regular goodbye. It's a goodbye that's heavy with sadness and emotion. Literary use. In literature, sorrowful goodbye is used to describe a parting that is particularly painful, often due to circumstances like death, long-term separation, or end of a relationship. Everyday use. In everyday conversation, you might use sorrowful goodbye to express deep emotions when parting with someone you may not see for a long time, or in situations that are particularly melancholic. To understand better, let's see some examples. 1. After the farewell party, Maria had a sorrowful goodbye with her colleagues, knowing she might never see them again. 2. The movie ended with a sorrowful goodbye between the two protagonists, leaving the audience in tears. These examples help illustrate how sorrowful goodbye is used in context to express a deep and poignant parting. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and use of the phrase, sorrowful goodbye. Remember, language is not just about words, but the emotions and stories they convey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use sorrowful goodbye in your conversations when the situation calls for it. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next lesson.